Alright, back here on the Javelin. This return line down here was stuck, so I had to pull the charcoal canister, get an extension, and a deep 1/2-inch drive socket. My impact popped it right loose. So now I can hook up our steering lines, fill that full of fluid. The bolts for the throttle cable bracket are drying. And then I get to wrestle the fuel pump on for around like 2 or 3. Okay, gonna try to do all of this with one hand. We do have spark. Oh, fuck. We've got fuel. Why aren't we lighting? All right. Get the choke to stay put. That would be great. No fuel at the carb. Oh, there we go. We're squirting. Okay, let's see what we got. Fingers crossed. But we're peddling fuel. Let's see what we got. Alright, gotta adjust our timing for sure. Got a little coolant leak, it looks like. Oh no, that's just old residual. Okay. So we got fuel with the carb, but we're leaking fuel down below. Oh my god, yes we are. Of course, it's the fucking outlet line, the hard line. And I cranked the piss out of that thing. But the old pump, someone had Teflon tape around it. I'm curious to see if that's because the flare's fucked. All right, here we go. That only took a year. Positive car news. Pierre lives.